Good morning, friend. This is Saturday, and in Saturday before Easter, we going to paint eggs. So we do it according to the special our traditional recipe. First of all, we need to pick up leaves. Yes? Сюда ты будешь класть? Here? Here on our wave you can see very beautiful tulipans, flowers, red and white. Here you can see lucerna. Lucerna grow for feed rabbits, for different animals. As you see, lucerna has very nice three-part leaves. So I think this is really nice for Easter eggs. Do you think, Marianne?
Yes.
Not so much, Marianne. We also can pick up leaves from cherries. Here's beautiful cherries, as you see. And by the way, here you can see bee. Because my cousin take care about bees. You can see there are bees houses. He has not much, but some bees houses. He likes it. Here we find blackberry bush, and its leaves are really nice. In Ukraine, we even make tea of blackberry leaves. We are in Faleshti. Do you like to come back to Ukraine, Marian?
А ми будемо їхати назад.
We come back to Ukraine by car, yes? And by train?
Да, на таксі поїдемо ще.
By taxi. Here is the bush of kalina. Very traditional Ukrainian tree kalina. So we pick up leaves also. We have rabbit.
Мені треба.
Do you like him?
Yes.
What color of this rabbit?
Чорний.
Let's start to do our eggs.
Yes.
So for eggs, we take our leaves. It's need to put some water on the leaf and press it. Marianchik, press. Press. Also from other side. Люцерка. Other leaf. And you need an old stocking. You take nylon stocking that you have at your home, cut it, and tie it around the egg.
Я теж буду замотувати. Я теж хочу.
You need to tie it like here. Be careful with leaves. You need three. Can you tie it? Do you make yourself?
Да.
Wow.
А воно не виходить.
Marianchik, can you hold it? Hold.
Hold.
Тримайте. and here. And here.
Моє яєчко ще не готове.
So, look. We have egg and now we're going to boil it. For coloring eggs, we need leaves of onion. You need this leaf. Yeah. You put it in the pot. First, you need to boil it in the water. They need to stay for 2 hours. And now we put our eggs in this onion water. And they need to be boiled for 10 minutes. We have our eggs ready.
Я буду.
So we take them.
Я буду.
Да, Марьян. Так. We need to cut. Of the last leaf. This one. We have drawn. Nice. We have this from this side. So at least we have eggs. Our eggs are ready. You can see here what we have made.
This one.
Here cross. This is leaves. What kind of leaves it is?
This
I think this kalina.
color.
Kalina. And this is blackberry leaf.
This give me Christos.
And this is lucerna.
This is листочки.
At least we have our Easter basket. As you see, in it is Pascha, our eggs, yes, Маринчик, sausage, homemade meat, onion, horseradish, and even there is salt. My mom always puts salt there. Are you ready, Marianne?
Да.
For Easter.
Я зараз залишу на кухню.
Христосом я. Христосом я. Христос воскресе.
Я не можу.
Яка краса!
Давай штуку.
Це да.
Дозволяє штуку.
Our Easter eggs. Да, Маринчик?
Давай.
Христос воскрес?
Величий клас.